Good morning, y'all. Today is December 13th, Monday. It is currently like 7:39 a.m. So as you can see by this title, your girl has passed her Georgia real estate salesperson exam. Kudos to me. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually get ready to go to the facility to take my exam. I'm speaking it into existence. You see what I did there? I'm speaking it into existence. I passed my exam. I studied long. I studied hard for this. So it's a little bit more of traffic than what I expected. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to leave a couple of minutes early, go grab me a drink from Starbucks, so you know your girl can be prepared. The PSI, I'm in Georgia, so the PSI exam, they say to come 30 minutes early to, you know, like avoid any craziness or whatever. Like the area I live in is pretty crazy. Traffic sometimes can get a little bad. So whew, okay, what was I thinking? Yeah, so let's go ahead and get this day started. First thing first, y'all know I had to show y'all the outfit, because that's what we always gonna do. You always have to dress for perfection so that you can play your part. I got my phones, I got my calculators. So I am currently at Starbucks, as you guys can see. So listening to Joe Juder, prep agent. If you are in the real estate course, or you're looking or interested in getting your real estate exam, I highly recommend prep agent to prepare you for your exam. In addition to prep agent, I also have this book. Hold on. I also got this book to help me on my exam. I got it from Amazon. There were like a lot of reviews saying like, oh, they passed on the first try. This book was great. So I decided to pair this in addition to prep agent. And then I also bought a PSI practice exam online. So I'm gonna spend a lot of money to prepare myself for the exam. Hold on.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing Starbucks. How can I get started for you today?
Hello, can I get a and can I add 2 pumps of vanilla and sweet cold foam?
2 pumps of vanilla and sweet cream cold foam.
Thank you. Yeah. So yeah, I also got this app on my phone called Real Estate for Dummies. So I've been doing a lot, okay? Like a whole lot. Like I've been seriously disliking this so bad. I've been seriously preparing for this. I will say my prayer. Say hey to my video.
Hello, video guys.
Hey guys. All right, babe, I love you.
Alright, guys, thank you for today. I'll see you later. I said today, we're the faith and confidence, the wisdom and the knowledge of God has. We are thankful for the Lord God. Thank you for the Holy Spirit today, God. Jesus Christ, Holy Spirit.
Amen. All right, y'all, it is 8:36. I took a moment to go over some notes. Yeah, so I got my calculator, got my information that I need for my exam, and I'm gonna get ready to go in. Okay, just looking for my pen. So I will see you guys after the exam. All right, guys, so we are live again, and your girl, where's my paper, passed her freaking exam. I am so super duper excited. I will be doing a long and more thorough video on this whole process of passing my Georgia real estate exam on the first try, not the second try, the third try, fourth try, but the first try, and it's only by the grace of God. So one thing I'll go ahead and tell you guys is when you do pass your exam, they will give you a green sheet telling you what you should you know, what you need to do in order to apply for your license. In order for you to apply for your license, you do have to have a sponsoring broker, which I am currently working on right now. I don't have a broker ready for me upon, you know, finishing and, you know, qualifying for my license or whatever, but I will be soon. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for my real estate journey.